I finally got this cover off. Well, let's see if I can get it on. It was very tricky to get it off without breaking it. It's a Kenmore 385. You gotta get in there first. So, you didn't see that, but you had to get around this up here. Get around that and tuck it up in there. And then try and force this in here. Like I said, it wasn't easy, but it kind of came out. There, it's in. So yeah, it was pushing it out up here and pulling it out a little bit beyond this. Made a little creaking, but it did not break. And then just put your 4 screws back in. And that's it. Holy cow. Yeah, that's the, let's see, Kenmore 385 1652 or 1653. And I'll put that cover back on and take it off this bottom. Even though it seems like it's going to break, it doesn't.